So what you can also do is you can easily preview out audio files inside of Adobe Bridge. So to do that, let me just go around onto a folder where I have some audios right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this particular audio, and over here, you can see that it quickly starts playing it out. I can go around over here just like this and click, and then press the play button. And you can hear out that it plays around the audio. So you can also go ahead and change around the volume level right here for the audio and press the play button. So you can change out the volume right here just like this as well. And that's just a mute. So I'm just going to go around, press the play button right here. And you can hear out that it plays in a lower volume right here. So you can simply go around over here and click on any of the audio. And then you hear out a preview of it right there just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and preview out audio files inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.